How to set face unlock on Android security settings guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can add face lock to your Android phone. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to mobile settings. So I'll simply click on settings. Once we click on settings, here you guys will see search bar option. Simply click on search bar option. Once we click here you guys will simply search for face. Once I search for face, here you guys can see security and privacy. Also you guys can see face and fingerprint unlock, face and fingerprint unlock. So you guys will simply click on face. Once we click here you guys can see face fingerprint. So for adding face unlock, you guys simply click on face. Now here you guys will see agree and terms. So simply great. Once we agreed, here you guys will ask for your screen password. If you don't add any screen password, you guys will simply go to direct page where you guys can add your face, and once you add it, you guys will simply click on OK. And once you click on OK, that's it, your face unlock will be added to your screen. So that's how you guys can do that.